In this video, I'll detail how to enable Face ID for App Store purchases on iPhone. So if you're trying to download any application on your App Store, it's going to prompt you to type in your iCloud account password and then confirm the process. Then here, I'm going to show you how you can use your Face ID for this action so that no one will be able to download free or paid application from App Store on your iPhone without confirming it with your Face ID. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first you want to do when you want to enable Face ID for App Store purchases on iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. Now scroll down the page and click on Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode depending on your phone. Then confirm your passcode. Once you confirm your passcode on the Face ID and passcode page or Touch ID and passcode page, come to use Face ID for and enable iTunes and App Store. Then you'll be prompted to type in your iCloud account password. Then go ahead, type in your iCloud account password. Once you type it like this, go ahead and click on the OK button to sign into the Apple account and confirm that you want to use Face ID for iTunes and App Store. Then after that, when next you go to the App Store to download any application or game, you'll be prompted to tap install. Then after that, you'll be prompted to sign into your Apple ID account, and once you sign into your Apple ID account, you'll be prompted to confirm with your Face ID. So that's exactly how to enable Face ID for App Store purchases on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.